Welcome to VATSIM Scandinavia. In this guide, we'll walk you step by step through how to begin your journey as an air traffic control officer in Finland. You'll find all the documentation on our wiki page. To access it, you'll need to log in with your VATSIM credentials. To begin controlling in Finland, you must be a member of the VATSIM Scandinavia subdivision. VATSIM itself is organized into regions, divisions, and subdivisions. VATSIM Scandinavia is a subdivision of VATSIM Europe, which belongs to the Europe, Middle East, and Africa region. To check your current assignment, visit vatsim.net/profile. If your region, division, or subdivision is not correct, follow the instructions on the wiki page. We highly recommend joining our Discord server before requesting training. Discord is our main communication platform where we chat, connect, and engage with fellow aviation enthusiasts. Your ATC training sessions with a mentor will also take place in one of the training rooms on Discord. Let's take a look at the documentation for Finland. Think of it as a bookshelf, divided into several books. The first book is Getting Started. Here you'll find training documents and installation instructions. The second is General Information. This includes a list of ATC positions, operational changes, and general procedures. The third is Standard Operating Procedures. It covers aerodrome flight information, tower, approach control, and area control. The fourth is Local Operating Procedures. This goes more in depth for specific positions, such as Helsinki Tower and approach control, regional airports, and area control. The fifth book contains letters of agreement between Finland and neighboring countries. And finally, there are a few other, less important books. We'll focus mostly on the Getting Started book. Here you'll find information on how to request ATC training. If you don't have a real-world license or a rating from another network, you'll be attending standard training. We recommend having a look at the training policy. This will help you understand what you can expect from us and what we expect from you during your training. Training is divided into several courses. You'll start at regional aerodrome towers and flight information positions, and progress all the way up to area control. The waiting time for each course is usually between 6 and 12 months, except for Helsinki Tower, which we try to keep below 2 months. While you're waiting, we'll send you a monthly interest confirmation message. You'll need to confirm this message to remain in the queue. Check the course details to prepare yourself before mentor assignment. Each course begins with simulator sessions and theory lessons with a mentor. Later, the training continues online. Depending on the course, you may also need to pass theoretical exams. Finally, in addition to installing the required software, we recommend reading through the standard and local operating procedures for your course as well. Now let's download the software and plugins you'll need to start controlling in Finland. You'll find all the instructions and links in the software setup chapter. First, download Euroscope. This is the radar client for ATC. Get the latest public release and follow the installer instructions. We recommend using the default installation location. Next, download the sector file. This file contains all local information, such as airports, airspaces, waypoints, and more. The sector file is updated every month with the new AIRAC cycle. As an air traffic controller, you should always keep your software up to date. You'll find the latest sector file attached to the newest message on the forum. Download it and extract it to the default installation location. When updating an existing sector file, be careful not to overwrite the PRF file. Updates are also announced in the Discord Finnish Bulletins channel and in the General Information book. Then download the latest data files from Aeronav. These include waypoints, airways, aircraft codes, and airline codes. Paste the FN folder to the Euroscope directory. Finally, download the voice client. This allows you to hear both pilots and controllers on the network. We recommend installing TrackAudio, which is the newer option. In GitHub, click on Releases to download the latest version of TrackAudio. Now you have everything you need to log on as an observer on the network. As an observer, you can see traffic on the radar client and listen to communication between pilots and controllers. Start by opening Euroscope. When prompted to select a profile, choose finland.prf. Next, click on the Connect button in the top left corner. Fill in your call sign, that's your initials, followed by _OBS. Then enter your name, VATSIM ID, password, facility, rating, and server. When you're done, click Connect. If there are any errors, they will show up in the Euroscope text box. Now open TrackAudio. Enter your credentials in the Settings page and connect to VATSIM. To hear other stations, you'll need to add the ATC position you want to monitor. Click the small plus button, enter the ATC call sign, and make sure the RX button is green. That stands for Receive, and it ensures you can listen on the frequency. To see traffic on the radar, follow these steps. From the top menu, go to Other Settings, then General Settings, and set the correlation mode to Easy. Next, in Other Settings, open Display Settings, and make sure Show Squawk A+C Aircraft is ticked. Then add a visibility point for the airport. To see traffic in Helsinki, type .vis1 EFHK into the Euroscope text box. You can also build your own radar view. Right-click while holding Alt on the radar screen, open the Maps menu, and select what you'd like to display. To observe traffic on the ground in Helsinki, open the EFHK Ground ASR file from the top menu. Note that the ground radar view is only available in Helsinki because it simulates the real surface movement radar. Regional aerodromes do not have this feature. Once you've set everything up, you'll be able to both see and hear airplanes on the network. You're now ready to begin training. While you're waiting in the queue, the best way to prepare is to stay active. Fly regularly in Finland. Join as a pilot during other students' training sessions and exams. Read the local charts and AIP pages. Explore the Wiki Documentation. And log in as an observer with Euroscope to listen to controllers and watch their actions on the radar client. Thursdays are usually busy at 8 o'clock in the evening when the Welcome to Hell event takes place. We also encourage you to join us on Discord. In the role selection channel, you can select Finland to gain access to our local text and voice channels. Please note that the ATC voice channels and training rooms are reserved for operational coordination and training sessions only. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. You can post in the Beginners Finland text channel or contact the Finland training advisor privately. We look forward to seeing you online.